Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Mercari how to bundle items. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to bundle items on Mercari, there is no official bundle button like on Postmark, but you can still bundle items for a buyer by simply creating a custom listing. To do it, simply head over and open up your Mercari app, then be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, tap on the sale icon on the bottom of your screen, then simply tap on list an item. Now here what you need to do is simply make a new listing, title something like bundle for @username and item A plus item B. Then set the combined price with discount if you want, and then once the buyer purchases the bundle, remove or deactivate the original individual listing so no one else buys them. Then next is to offer a price adjustment. The buyer adds all items they want to their cart, and you can send a discounted offer for each, but note each will ship separately. Buyer pays shipping for each, not ideal, so this isn't a true bundle, but sometimes buyers are okay with it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.